down below. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? All right, today we are getting into this look right here. It's a very soft, easy breezy look using some brand new shadows that I found at Walmart. But before I get into this, I want to sing the song. All the single shadows, all the single shadows, all the single shadows. Okay, I think Rihanna is the one that sings. Oh, she's gonna be so mad when she finds out I'm big and famous off of her. Guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, like this content on your way out. And I'm Kendra Morgan official. I do makeup, beauty products, sunscreens, specialize in brushes. Let's get into it. Here we go. ColourPop's Bel Air. I will slip that into the transition area with my fluffy blending brush from Unique. I picked up some shadows from Walmart, and they are the InStudio Cosmetics. I'm going to link them down below. They were located on an end cap at Walmart, so I will link them down below in the bar. And they are 97 cents, so I did not have high expectations for them, and they definitely did not disappoint. They're not that good, but it is my job, since I do some artistry, to make them work, and that's exactly what I intend to do today. What happened here? I scratched myself? Oh, it looks terrible. Boom, fixed. Painted Desert. And let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, it's a pretty good shadow for 97 cents, but I don't know how I'm gonna make this work. Yeah, I'm gonna put this all over the lid. A deluxe, like a shader brush. Also, just to let you guys know, I did prep and prime my eyelids before I got on camera with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and I set it with some translucent powder. I wasn't sure how these shadows would function, but based off the swatches, I thought they'd be kind of dull. So, and like chalky and fallouty and powdery, so I went ahead and set with the translucent powder so that I wouldn't have too many difficulties and you guys, would give me some credibility. Next, I'll dip into Prism. This is a bronzy gold shade, and place that all over the outer portion of the lid. Again, same flat deluxe shader brush. This one, I don't know if you can see it or not, is picking up pretty patchy, so I will first apply dry, and then I'll probably have to go in wet. So here we are. Just as I suspected, little to no payoff. Okay, let's go ahead and get our brush wet with some setting spray and wet my brush a bit. It's pretty flaky, but there you can see it's picked up a lot better. All right, there we have it. We've got some shimmer on the lid. Let's go ahead and deepen up the crease, ground the look just a little bit. Oh boy. I picked up a red shade and I picked up a yellow shade. I don't think I'm ready for this one. I know I use this quite a bit, but I'm going to deepen up the look with ColourPop's Conundrum. Taking that on a fluffy crease brush, a nice dirty one. I'll just pop that in there. Ooh. Hopefully it's not dirty with other stuff. Place some of that kind of underneath the lash line as well. Alright, just added that in the outer V slash lash line. I'm really liking how natural it looks, so I still want to add a little bit of definition. I'm going to pick up a chocolatey brown eyeliner and apply that in my waterline. Okay, maybe like more like dark chocolate. I did feather that into the upper kind of lid area on this outer corner just to give me some definition there. I'm also going to go ahead and run it underneath this lower lash line, just kind of wedge it in there and add some more liner, and then I'll put some, I won't be adding lashes today. I feel like I could smudge that liner out just a little bit, so with a kind of a smudgy liner brush, I'll do just that. Take your favorite mascara and just pop it on. This is going to be a very, very gentle, soft look. Alright, that is it. I'm going to zoom you guys all out for the completed look in just a... This is it. This is the completed look. This is all I got for you. My hair is going to be up because I have to feature another film with some setting sprays. So I'm going to be spraying my face and all that good stuff, so I want my hair back. So that's why. Not that I really need an excuse, because I have 2 boys and they're already a handful. So getting my hair done doesn't do that. But look at this look. Look at it. It's very pretty. All of you guys who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And I also want to let you know that in the future I'll be featuring a series on makeup setting sprays with SPF in them, so I'm working on them right now. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel because it's going to be fun. Hang tight, new content weekly. Thanks so much. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video.